So let's have a look at something different, looking at how to actually disassemble a program. Here's a program that I wrote a while ago, and it's a standard Windows. If we load it into the disassembler Ollydbg 32-bit assembler level debugger. So we've loaded it in, and straight away we can see that it's loaded in. After it's analysed it, it's the start of the program is the get module handle from kernel 32, which is correct because we know we've got the source code. But what happens if you haven't got the source code? I wrote a program in 1999 and I don't have the source code anymore. I wrote it in DirectX, but I don't have the source code, so I can use this program to work out what I actually did. So here we start off with get module handle, correct. Then we go to get command line, graph window, exit process. Then we jump down here to an entry point. And next we've got an ASCII simple win class. We've got the load icon, which is part of the basic boilerplate code. Then we've got load cursor from user 32 dialog box. And then we've got register the class, and then we've got create the window. So here we see that the height, width, X, Y, and all that sort of stuff. So it tells you what the file structure is before we actually run the kernel. And here's it all been pushed onto the stack. These are the actual instructions in hexadecimal. This is the actual memory locations. So we've done that. Then we come down to update window. Then we move into the get messages, translate message, dispatch message here for ASCII. Yeah. And then we jump down to the subroutine, begin paint, user 32, create solid brush from the colour, create another solid brush, move to X. Now we're on the GDI library, line to, move to the next point, line to, select the object, and the rectangle, GDI, another rectangle, select object, ellipse. So you can see that how it all works. We're getting the bottom right, top left, and also the handle, and we're pushing them all onto the stack. Then we're calling the GDI 32 rectangle. And then we go through more ellipses, then we go to end paint, and then we delete the objects. And then we post quick message. So we can basically reconstruct the program if we've lost the source code by running these debugger disassembler, and it helps us to reconstruct our program that we wrote if we've lost the source code. Job's a good one. What more do you want? Apart from some alkaline for your throat. Job's a good one. Looks like a good programme after all. Simple.